Now we'll go ahead and mount the manipulator. The manipulator has a number of holes that we can use to mount right here. I will put it fairly stable on the table, like this. And I will use some of the screws provided and the corresponding nuts to mount it. I'll have to try to find a good way to access it with the screwdriver. So it seems with this position of the servo, the access is the easiest. And I would like to have my nuts on the top, so for that reason I prefer to screw it from this side, as they are more aesthetically appealing than the nuts. I'll put a second screw here. This one is easier to access, as you can see. The top screw enters a little bit more difficult, but it still can be inserted. Again, I'll try to find good angle for the screwdriver. Maybe easier if I remove the handle. Okay, this screw is fully inserted now. Maybe easier actually to tighten the nut itself and just hold the screw in place. Okay, we can install two more nuts and bolts. Okay. So all the nuts are in place except the very last one. I will do one more attempt to insert it by flipping over the robot and watching where the bolt goes. Well, I'll leave this bolt. It's a little bit tight space here, so hardly necessary. So here you have it. You have the manipulator mounted on the chassis. It has 4 degrees of freedom. 1 for opening and closing, 1 for rotating the hand, and 2 joints. And we have the tilt and pan on the camera. Next, I will show you how to install the battery, and finally we all will have to figure out how to connect all of the wires here. I hope that I have mounted the boards properly. In the worst case we'll need to flip them around.